Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking down license and mood. Choose a relaxing style, ambient, lo-fi, or nature, and confirm usage rights so YouTube monetization remains intact. Once done, pick a target duration. Many viewers favor 30 to 60 minutes for sleep or study. Make sure to note tempo and instrumentation. Slow tempos and sparse textures work best. Then gather source tracks from vetted libraries, or prepare your own stems for later editing and seamless looping. You now polish the audio. Normalize to around -1 to -3 dB peak and aim for consistent RMS to avoid sudden jumps. Once levels are set, create seamless loop points and 2 6-second crossfades so transitions feel natural. Make subtle edits. Gentle reverb to place the listener, light EQ to remove harsh mids, and soft compression to glue elements together. Then export high-quality masters and render a long-form version for upload. Test playback on headphones and speakers. You finish by optimizing upload and protecting the work. Upload the final file with a clear, searchable title, chapters for navigation, and a calming thumbnail. In the description, include license details, timestamps, and attribution when needed so viewers and moderators understand rights. Once live, monitor content ID and comments for audio issues. If a claim appears, recheck your license. If needed, re-export with alternate stems or submit a dispute with proof. Finally, tweak metadata.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.